These orders are done, and of course the free gift. All my sets are like a set of 4, and then I'll make sure I give them a free gift. But these are all done. And then I need to finish those 2 trays there, but that's the ashtray and the grinders for them, and then the jar. So basically I don't know, I guess all of them, they've been going like hotcakes. So I'm gonna package these up, and then we need to go to the post office. I just want to take the time out to thank everyone who supports Blazing Beauty. It means the world to me, so I really, really appreciate it. Just to show my appreciation, I will extend the sale until the 11th for all you late shoppers. um, maybe even to the 19th, because you probably still get it before Christmas. Yeah, I'll do the 19th, and depending on how many sales I receive, if I have to cut it off, I will. But if not, the night, no, I need to check the calendar. I was saying the 11th, but now I'm trying to push it because I know there's some late shoppers like myself. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Okay, so Christmas. Okay, so the 18th, December 18th, I got y'all. So I'll keep the sale going until December 18th. So if you're looking for a unique gift, and you know someone that you know do their little business or whatnot, check out my Etsy store. I will have some new designs up, and I also will be adding some more dupe tubes because they have been going like hotcakes. I literally renewed that listing probably like 3 times already. So yeah, make sure y'all check out my Etsy store. The link will be in the description below. And like I said, if you're looking for something unique and personalized for a gift, make sure you hit me up. I will be more than happy to help you out with that. Boxes to come, so hopefully these ones will fit the tray sets. The last ones I ordered did not fit, so I had to send those back and reorder. So the boxes should be here on Wednesday. So if you are on my Etsy store and you mark your tray set as a gift, it will come packaged as a gift. Alright, so I just want to thank you guys again. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, turn that notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in the next video.